Welcome to our channel How It Started. Come along on a fascinating journey with us as we discover how food practices have changed over time. Today, we'll explore how people in ancient times hunted and gathered their food. Get ready to travel back in time and then forward to see how food production has evolved. In ancient times, hunting was a primal means of sustenance. With primitive tools like spears and bows, our ancestors hunted for survival. Did you know they consumed both raw and cooked food? Raw sustenance was vital during hunting expeditions, while cooking made meals safer and more flavorsome. Simultaneously, ancient societies pioneered the art of agriculture. Witness the birth of cultivation, as communities sowed seeds and nurtured crops. From Mesopotamia to Mesoamerica, this revolutionary shift from nomadic to agrarian lifestyles marked a pivotal moment in human history. Fast forward to the present, where our food habits have morphed dramatically. The globalization of diets has brought a world of flavors to our plates. Healthy eating has gained prominence, with a surge in organic and unprocessed food consumption. Yet, the fast-paced lifestyle has given rise to a culture of convenient, on-the-go meals and fast food chains. Furthermore, the advent of technology has revolutionized food production. Genetic engineering, industrial farming, and advanced processing techniques have bolstered efficiency and output. However, this has also spurred conversations about the environmental impact and ethical considerations within the food industry. Now, let's gaze into the crystal ball and unravel the future of food production. Vertical farming and sustainable aquaculture are poised to revolutionize the way we cultivate crops and harvest seafood. With advancements in precision agriculture and climate-resilient crop varieties, we're gearing up for a sustainable and resilient food system. Anticipate the rise of state-of-the-art food production factories, integrating cutting-edge technologies and sustainable practices. These facilities will cater to an evolving palate, offering an array of fresh, nutritious, and technologically enhanced food options. Embracing this transformation, we foresee a shift towards sustainable and ethical consumption, shaping a healthier and more diverse food landscape. Conclusion. As we conclude our expedition through the annals of food history, we recognize the intricate tapestry of human sustenance. Join us in embracing the evolution of food, as we forge a path towards a sustainable, ethical, and delectable culinary future. Thank you for joining us today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating insights into the world of food. Until next time, stay hungry for knowledge.